Hey everybody, welcome back to the series where I'm finding the exact wattage of the most popular LED headlights and auxiliary lights from Amazon. If you're unfamiliar with what I'm doing here, I would highly recommend watching my introduction video where I go over what I intend on doing in this series of videos. Alright, let's get to it. Today we are reviewing the Auxmotec 7-inch round 40-watt spotlight. This is a light that I actually currently have installed on my setup on my vehicle, and I did some night testing with it, and it is pretty bright. I was pretty impressed with the spot being patterned and how bright it was. So like I said, they're claiming 40 watts. It is one LED chip in there, so that would be impressive if it was actually 40 watts, but let's hook it up and find out. Alright, so we're all hooked up here. Last thing left to do is to turn it on, so let's go. Alright, so we're looking at 2.1 amps at 13.8 volts. That puts us right around 29 watts. So compared to the manufacturer, which is claiming 40 watts, we're sitting about 10 watts shy. So it doesn't quite live up to the hype of the 40 watt, but 30 watts out of one LED chip. And I can tell you from personal experience that this is a very nice light. Unfortunately, it doesn't live up to the 40 watts. So there you go, that's what it is. Thanks for watching.